I'm not looking at the camera because I look horrible. No, I don't always look horrible. But look, what I'm saying is, yeah, man's fucking going to have a Turkish bath today. And obviously I'm not filming that though. When I get back, man, I'll chat to you though. You get me? Bang. On the way to the beach now. That bath and that turkey bath and all that we had was fucking amazing. It was absolutely gorgeous. I'm still kind of relaxed from it right now. Going to the beach now. I hope this thing ain't fucking, I don't even think it's, oh, go on. Okay. That man looks like Tango Man. Well, that's the free floor. So I thought, yeah, that I might have been the only black guy in the hotel, but it's looking like I'm the only black guy in Tunisia. Wait, we're not in Tunisia. Fuck's sake. I might be the only black guy in Turkey right now. Man just walked the whole length of the beach, past about 7 resorts. I can't see one black. There's like 2 black bears in the hotel. No, well, 2 black bears including me in the hotel that we're at. And right now, man's walking, look, I can't see no black people, look. There's a dog. Oh, there's 1 black bear. No, he's not black, he's just very tan. Mad. Well, look at that.
What are you picking up? What?
That's mad. Right, back in the water you go. Hi, Mom.
Hello, baby. Hello, my darling. I love you so much.
Yeah, I love you too, Mom. Alright.
Come on.
Yeah, we'll chat to you soon though, yeah? Look at this, look at these colours, please, everyone. I got that, and I got like a... I love this colour, oh my god. Wow. They're back now. Come back. Morning, sir. Or afternoon, or whatever it is. Whatever it is. Yeah, we come back from the beach a while ago. I didn't feel well. I got epilepsy in it, so sometimes everything that I'm doing has to come to a fucking stop, which is kind of annoying. So we left the beach because I was feeling funny. We're definitely going to eat, and I think we're going to see a magic show, and I fucking love magic. So hopefully that goes well. And then tomorrow we've got a mad big day ahead of us. And then the main event is coming in, I think, the day after. Is that right?
Next 3 days.
Let's go and eat, man. Let's, all of us. You're coming with us. You get me? This is the last time you see a fucking computer like that. Is that raw?
Yeah, it's real.
The best guy. Cab driver.
Yes, hi, Imran.
Yeah.
My friends call me Imi. What is it that you want to know?
What's it like to be a cab driver?
It's actually enjoyable. It's for me, it's job satisfaction.
Yeah.
Driving helps, and customer rapport helps.
Right.
Relations.
So, if they see you and they mention me, do they get a discount?
Oh, I think so.
Here you go.
I think so.
At Birmingham, yeah?
Yeah, you sell Lucchi.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
you're in for a discount.
So there you go. There you go, man.
All good. Definitely.
Alright, man. He's wonderful.
Well, I try.
See you later, man. Cool.
Thank you.
You imagine, man just had 2 plates of food, yeah? And now we're going to see a magic show. You get me? I'm going to try and film some of it so you can see what I want. Bye. Or you let a woman put her titties on my forehead.
I didn't, you decided that.
I decided that she was going to do that, yeah?
Yeah. And you decided that a man could touch me.
It's called a massage. Hey! That was mad. Gotta be coming out of his sleep. Amazing. She's gone. I can't see her feet. Oh, bro. Okay.
Mother, what's her name? Mariska. Bye bye. Your hands.
This is the loveliest man on the holiday.
Oh, please.
Yeah.
That's too much credit, man. What's going on?
There was another lovely couple, but this guy is fucking great.
I try.
Yeah, what do you do for a living, man? Let's
I'm
get
a
you.
Birmingham cabbie. I'm a cab driver.
So if you see him, give him extra. Yeah, I mean, bang. And right now, yeah, I'm getting my feet done, man. They're really eating me, man. She ain't really getting it, but me.
I'm gonna try to tell you
Crazy.
something.
Yeah, man. And there's chickens. Yeah, there's chickens walking around. Like.
Oh god, oh my god, oh my god.
Why is there chickens just there?
Oh, look, you got so many on you.
Chicken! Oh, is that turkeys? And then look at this.
It tickles so much.
They are moving to man's foot.
One of them's just sitting there, just like, yes, just gonna.
I did that.
Yay.
I did that, mate. That fucking, you know what, yeah? You lot didn't see it before, right? But it took me about 20 minutes to jump in the pool. It was fucking cold. Just now, I did it like a fucking maniac. Do you know why? That's because you lot are with me. And I hope that you lot follow me and subscribe. Because you give me fucking power. I love you lot. The fucking lords. Huh?